U.S. stocks closed lower on Thursday, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq snapping their longest winning streaks in 2 years, following hawkish comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The Dow shed more than 0.6%, the S&P 500 lost more than 0.8%, and the Nasdaq dropped over 0.9%. The session began with a weak auction of 30-year Treasuries, pushing yields higher and stocks lower. Then came remarks from Powell, who said central bank officials are not confident that rates are high enough to tame inflation. Despite those comments, investors are still pricing in a rate cut for 2024. But Kevin Nicholson, Global Fixed Income Chief Investment Officer at Riverfront Investment Group, believes a rate cut for next year is now completely off the table.
The expectation has been that we were going to see a dramatic slowdown of growth in the economy. But that is kind of hard to imagine right now, given the fact that in Q3, we saw GDP grow at 4.9%. So that means that we have to slow down. Not only do we have to slow down, but we have to slow down pretty rapidly to get cuts that soon. And I just don't foresee that happening at this moment.
In company news, shares of Walt Disney jumped nearly 7% on a quarterly profit beat, and as Hollywood actors reached a tentative agreement with major studios. And semiconductor firm ARM Holdings dropped more than 5% on a downbeat third-quarter sales forecast.